Navratri festival is one of the very important Hindu festivals and is celebrated with great pomp and splendor all over the country. Navratri festival is celebrated to worship the 9 forms of Goddess Durga. Navratri is celebrated twice a year. The festival that falls during the autumn season is the most popular one. This is referred as Shardiya Navratri and is celebrated in the month of September or October to honor Goddess Durga. Now I am going to present 9 forms of Goddess Durga. Jai Ma Durga. Ma Shailputri. Shailputri is the first form of Navdurga. She took birth as the daughter of Lord Himalayas, due to which she is named as Shailputri. She is also known as Bhavani Parvati or Himavati. The goddess can be seen seated on Mount Nandi. Ma Brahmacharini. Goddess Parvati took birth at the home of Daksha Prajapati in the form of Great Sati. Her unmarried form is worshipped as the second form of Navdurga, which is Brahmacharini. Shivanti, hibiscus and lotus flowers are used to garland the goddess. Ma Chandraghanta. Devi Chandraghanta is called the goddess of spiritual and internal power. Goddess Parvati is the wife of Lord Shiva. After marriage, he adorned the goddess's forehead with a chandra made from chandan. This is reason due to which she is known as Chandraghanta. Ma Kushmanda. Goddess Kushmanda is the fourth form of the Navdurga, is worshipped on the fourth day of Navratri. U means little, Ushma means energy and Anda means cosmic egg. Here the whole universe is represented as a cosmic egg and the Devi is believed to end the darkness with her divine smile. Ma Skandamata. When Goddess Parvati became the mother of Lord Kartikeya, she became to be known as Skandamata. The fifth day of Navratri is dedicated to the worship of the fifth form of Navdurga. Ma Katyayani. Goddess Parvati took the form of Goddess Katyayani to kill the demon Mahishasur. Ma Katyayani appears as warrior goddess. She can be seen riding a lion and carrying a lotus stem and a sword in her right hand. She is said to be gifted with the lion by goddess Gauri. Ma Kalratri. The seventh form of Navdurga is known as Goddess Kalratri. She is considered to be the most ferocious avatar of Navdurga and is known for destroying ignorance and removing darkness from the universe. Ma Mahagauri. Ma Mahagauri is the eighth form of the goddess Durga. Ma Mahagauri is worshipped on the 8th day of Navratri. According to Hindu mythology, Goddess Mahagauri has the power to fulfill all the desires of her devotees. Ma Siddhidatri. The 9th form of Navdurga is known as Goddess Siddhidatri. She is the Mool Roop of Ma Parvati. She possesses 8 supernatural powers or the Siddhis. Lord Shiva was blessed by Siddhidatri by giving all the 8 powers. People worship all these forms of the goddess. Devotees keep fast for 9 days by eating fruits or drinking water. People also go to temples to seek blessings from Ma Durga. On the 9th day, devotees break their fast by doing Kanya Puja. The Navratri festival is celebrated for 9 nights and 10 days. Navratri is a Sanskrit word in which Nav means 9 days and Ratri means night. The story behind Navratri festival is that during the time of Navratri, Goddess Durga had conquered Mahishasur. The fair is set up at many places for people to visit and enjoy. It is a small religious celebration with food, dance, fun rides, and more. Elders can also be seen chanting scriptures and telling stories of God. In many states of India, the pandals of Durga Ma are made. People go there and worship Goddess Durga. Durga Puja in Kolkata is not merely a religious festival. It is a grand celebration from households to neighborhoods. Everyone gets ready to welcome Ma Durga in their own way. Navratri is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Gujarat. A traditional group dance called Garba. Garba and Dandiya are performed during this festival. For the festival of Navratri, people purchase traditional dresses to dance with different styles in a circle. The Garbi with the idol of goddess Amba is kept in the center. The Garba is performed around it. People play Dandiya and Garba with full enthusiasm. Now I am going to share my videos of doing Garba.